KashKick pays the highest amounts on partner offers like app signups, free trial activations, and financial service registrations, because advertisers pay more when they want users who complete full conversions instead of simple clicks. By the end of this, you'll know which KashKick offer types actually pay the most, why those offers pay more, and how to spot the high-value ones before wasting time on low-payout tasks. Start with how KashKick decides what pays more. KashKick doesn't randomly set payouts. Advertisers fund offers based on how valuable the action is to them. A simple click is low value. A full sign-up or trial conversion is high value. That difference is what creates high-paying offers. First category is financial offers. These usually involve bank accounts, credit services, or financial apps that require full registration and identity verification. They tend to sit at the top end of payout ranges because advertisers gain long-term customers from them. Second category is subscription trial offers. These are offers where you start a free or paid trial for a service. They pay more because they only count as completed when the trial conditions are fully met. Third category is app install plus action offers. These are not just downloads. They require you to reach a certain level, complete onboarding steps, or use the app for a defined action before payout triggers. Now, here's what actually matters when ranking KashKick offers. Higher paying offers almost always have one thing in common. They require more commitment from you. That could be time, verification, or completing multiple steps inside an app or service. Lower paying offers are faster, but they don't require full conversion. The biggest mistake users make is chasing only high payout numbers without reading requirements. Some offers look high-paying but take longer or have stricter completion rules, which affects how fast you actually get rewarded. So ranking highest paying only makes sense when you include effort and completion conditions. Summary: KashKick highest paying offers are usually financial registrations, subscription trials, and app-based tasks that require full completion. Higher payouts exist because advertisers value complete user conversions, not quick actions. Next step: focus on offers that match your effort level, and always read completion requirements before starting so you don't waste time on tasks that don't track properly. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps that show what actually pays the most, not just what looks high on the surface.